Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.
If somebody had the local theater in their pockets, I had a seat tied to people on the side.
We don't give secrets.
Ese es el bueno.
All right, guys, part
El
2
que pique es bueno.
of our excursion.
It has the thing.
Monkey Jungle, Dune Buggies, Waterfalls.
Go get the thingy for the king.
Okay. Why don't you
I'll get it. I'll get it.
go get it? Zip tie. So we're getting ready to start our trek. Yeah. Sorry. Oh, we don't listen.
Gracias.
Good to go. Thank you, man. All right, guys. We're gonna be starting part 2 right now. Looking forward to this. It's been so many years since we've been here, and I'm taking Vanita with us. So let's go, guys. Everybody seeing that's YouTube. There goes Vanita. She's right there. There goes the ministry right there. And here goes our group right here.